Good morning everyone. My name is Selva Subramaniam. I am studying 4th B. My topic is Magic Rainbow. Pour some milk into a shallow dish or bowl until the milk covers the bottom. Add some color in the milk. You can use variety of colors. Use 3 to 4 drops. Add some dish soap into the center.